This is Archetypal Trader. Today's date is the 16th of August 2021, and I'm going to do a recap on the weekly close on Bitcoin. I've been away in Italy for the last 3 weeks, so that's the reason I haven't been doing that many videos of late, but let's jump straight into the charts. So I got the monthly chart here on Bitcoin, and I think what's interesting to note that last month, whilst I was in Italy, I didn't get to make a video about it, but the last monthly close in volume was at 427k of Bitcoin, and that was the shortest volume of 2021. It was lower volume than the month of April, and this month we're tracking about halfway now. We should definitely have more volume coming on the monthly in August. So we've had this bounce up. Moving over to the weekly, we've had quite a run up so far. I think we've touched the 50% retracement. We're still yet to test 61.8, so there's definitely some resistance in this area. Just throw on the 50% retracement now as well. So we're sitting right at the 51% retracement at the moment. We're up at Kijun as well. We're testing the weekly Kijun. I think we marginally close above the Kijun on the Coinbase Gemini index. So also to note with the price action, we've come back in. I'll just take the Gamogo off as well. I can take this trend line away just to keep everything nice and tidy. We're retesting this bull fractal as well. And also, if I zoom in on the volume, there's been, this weekly close has been a lot lower than the 2 previous weeks, because there was a rush of volume late July and early August, but this weekly close is below the 2 by 1, and now we are coming into this resistance level, and we are at the Kijun as well. So looking at the price action from a weekly standpoint, perhaps the market might want to come back down to this level, and that would coincide with the Kijun on the weekly once I get up to the weekly chart. But this bull fractal on the weekly here is down at 41k, and I think on the daily the Kijun's just under 40,000 at the moment. So incredible bounce. But we are definitely heading into resistance areas, and if this is the top at 65,000, we really expect some higher volume to come in on the sell side. I would expect. So there's still work to be done on the Bitcoin front. So now I've just gone over to the daily chart. I've drawn in that bear fractal test as well, and we've had 3 days now around this area. If I just zoom in, I've boxed in this fractal at 47 to 48k, and it's been 4 days of transactions going in this area. I'll just get rid of the box now, and today's candle we haven't broken that $48,100 level. Looking at Ichimoku whilst I was away, it would have been better if I had created a video at the time, though. We did get this Kumo breakout at 42, and we came down toward the Kijun. We never bounced off the Kijun on the daily, but that was a technical buy signal, and we had a bit of a correction, and now we've moved up. So from an Ichimoku standpoint, I should throw in the 100-day moving average as well. Back here on the 30th of July, just at the end of the month, we printed this buy signal at 42, And yeah, we're above the cloud. Everything's bullish. Everything's great. It's just yeah, we have been trading in this range for 124 days now. So yeah, we could definitely see we could see higher all time highs and stuff. We could continue up, but there is still work to be done. Maybe we'll come down and test this key June at the key June's just at 39,900, so around the 40k level before we continue on. I know, looking at the volume, the moving average since the 14th, so that would have been Saturday, we're starting to trend down in volume, and you can see this volume starting to fall off. So yeah, the buying interest back here at the lows that are in the 30k, 29k level, it seems like that volume's starting to dissipate, and yeah, I think you would expect that coming into a 50% retracement and almost at the 61.8. So volume is coming off here. So yeah, it'll be interesting when London's online and New York, when New York opens up, to see what direction this market wants to do this week. So looking closely on the volume so far, over the weekend, you can see we're below the 1 by 1, and 6 or 7 days ago we were above the 2 by 1. So volume is collapsing here. So maybe we'll even get down to 36k. But yeah, that's what I'm seeing in the markets thus far. Yesterday's volume 8.75k. We're sitting at 4k today, and we've still got 13 hours. So you would expect the volume's gonna probably hit back up to the 1 by 1 by close today. Maybe there's a lot more selling volume that comes in, but yeah. Ikamoko says bullish. We've flipped bullish. We're heading into resistance. I'm still fairly cautious, moving up stops and really protecting profit. It's going to be very interesting to see what the market does when we come back down to the 100-day moving average and the key June, to see if we'll get a bounce and get more volume up towards the all-time high. So yeah, I'll leave the video there. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll make an Ethereum video today and a Cardano video also. So keep tuned for those. Have a great day.